Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my first video ever. Let's go.
What?
This is how my face looks like right now. This is skincare first.
Now first step will be fixing a dark circle. We need a good eye cream. We'll do color corrector. We'll be mixing these two shades. I have this green veins. I'll mark here too. Now we'll go for concealer. For the concealer I'm using this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Mix the concealer with little bit of foundation. Now take a good clean brush. Now we'll set this with powder. If you don't like over foundation, like foundation, then do one thing. Take foundation and mix with moisturizer. Take this brush and apply gently. Never forget your neck. I repeat, never. Now we'll go for liquid blush. Now time for the eyes. So we are using these 4 different palettes.
Oh my god!
Taking a fluffy brush and mixing these 2 shades. Now in and out, outwards and inwards we'll mix this. Now from the black eyeshadow we'll do the corner. Now smudging this from first brush.
My hip, I don't carry this bitch for fat.
I think makeup is good. Okay, so now the dress is on. So many functions. This is not
Okay.
maybe some.
Yeah, boy. Bruh. 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 Bruh.
I think this will add some bullet. Yeah, put to the. Okay, so I'll attach the booty shots. After, if you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. And also if you want which type of video from me, tell me in the comment section. This is my first video. If I get response, I'll do more video. Thank you, bye bye. Time for beauty.